Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla led from front in paying tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on Martyrs' Day held at GM Hall today. As part of the observance, Governor, MLA, top officials paid floral tribute to salute Mahatma Gandhi. A 2-minute silence was also sounded. A 2-minute siren was also sounded, followed by playing of bhajan to remember Mahatma Gandhi on his death anniversary. Martyrs' Day is observed on January 30 each year to commemorate the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi in 1948. MLA Thongam Shanti, MLA Konthaujam Govindas, MLA Sapam Kunjakeshwar, Chief Secretary, Security Advisor, senior civil and police officers and other officials also attended the event.